Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And firstly I will show you how to call it by default and then how to change control for it. So by default on your right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons, and you need to press 3 times on it. 1, 2, 3, and now, as you can see, I just call voice assistant. So we set up Google Assistant at this phone, and if you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. Now, how to change it? So you need to open Baseus app. Of course, you need to add these headphones to the application. Then tap on them and go to gesture settings. And right here, as you can see, it used triple tap, and we can set it for the double press. So just tap on them and select voice, activate voice assistant. And now let's check it. So I press 2 times, 1, 2, and it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!